out of time here.
Yeah, we're not team
He's
killing.
above us.
Backboard.
I got a rail.
On B.
Jason's too damn good.
And top red, top red. He's one, top red. Got him. Oh, another one by BR.
I'm trying to
He's got his
come.
portal.
Shotgun up in 10.
Good call.
One's bottom
Left
side.
side. Oh, they. Nice kill, man. Some health time. Nice job.
I said twice.
It's fine. Just hold my tower, Trust him. They're pushing me in a second here.
If he was in comms, I would know he's not. Oh my god.
Snipe and then S3 snipe.
Protect the B.
As long as we're holding 2, we're good.
Church is wide. Nice. That's beacon.
5 is
SMG up
47.
in 7, I'm waiting on it. Watching B, going to C.
Okay.
Steve R1.
I'm on next. Bet on it.
No, I missed. Fucking Christ.
Oh, he has back left.
Jason just beamed me.
Steve's down. Goes Zach and the rocks.
How is he back? Steve's on next.
Killed Steve. Jason's on next. Sacks on
One
next.
shot, one shot. Alright, get the time, get the time. You got 4 down.
Get tower control.
We gotta get something.
Cap A here.
He made it through that?
Okay, 5. Rotate up to mid. Rotate up.
One sniper, it's K Jules. Plasma's
It's
on BR. They're chasing you, credit.
I feel like
Two of them
Jules
on-
has
two of them
brain
on A. We
hack.
gotta get C.
I'm working towards it.
Nice, good kill.
Oh, Five's not happy about that.
He shouldn't be. He died.
I know. But that was like I was down 2 shots and switched to pistol. Like, it's not right.
It's because the pistol is arguably the best gun in the game.
I mean, oh, not that I would
don't know
ever
if
claim
it's-
that.
Listen, it's not a strong argument, but it's an argument.
That's fair.
1 plus 1 equals 3. That's my
Exactly.
argument.
Astro
Oh my gosh. There's no way Arlen's still alive.
Yeah, I have no idea where I'm going on this map, by the way, so sorry, team.
He only has 10 kills, so
Only.
he really needs to pick it up.
That's more than our entire team.
Well, it's easy when my 2 teammates are just, you know.
Oh, I don't think Carbine changed the other guns, did it?
Oh, I thought I read Carbine somewhere.
It did say Carbine.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Pretty sure we did.
Oh,
touch
10
that.
is
I'll have to double
20.
check.
They're out now.
Fuck. Oh, I didn't even get to get them.
Oh shit, 5? Dude. He's so aggressive.
Yeah,
Nobody
man.
would ever be able to do that. What are you talking about?
Well, this guy's just blasting music through his mic. Oh my gosh.
Wait, did you find a game?
Yeah, me 2 randos versus
Yo,
Frozen.
Oh my god, your mama's so free. Zero PR.
Who are these guys?
so free.
Oh my god, you're so
Who are these guys?
Your ass, kid.
Who are these guys?
Credit. Lay off the
Dude, do you hear the randos like talking in proximity
Yeah, it's
chat?
fucking annoying as fuck. He's not even good. Their shoes raggedy.
This is raggedy.